Hey, I wanted to show you real quick how to use Bootstrap to set a layout on the page. D-Rod and I were just playing with this, and so I thought I'd show it off. So the cool thing about Bootstrap is it has templates which are called responsive. And what that means is watch these two rows that are called responsive as I change the size of the window. So it means that essentially as the screen size changes, the content can move around, okay? So these first two rows, this row and this row, are responsive, meaning that they change. This row is not. This row is explicit. So as you see, when I'm going here, it does get smaller, but it doesn't sort of adjust its position. It doesn't sort of roll over on the page. And so let me show you exactly how that works. So in Bootstrap, you can use divs to establish a row. So this div to this div here is the row, right? And then in between are the columns. And so if it's going to be responsive, you just call it COL for call. There it is there, and there it is here. On this one, I've added justify center so that all of the content inside of the column is centered. And on this one, I added a border so you can see you can see the sort of the width of the cell. And so here that is again, and you can see that the whole cell rolls down below as it needs to, up to a point. Okay. The other one that is explicit. So instead of just saying call, what it does is it uses a numbering system. So basically, when you number your columns, then you're saying this should take up 1/12 of the page if it's a 1. If it's a 2, then that should take up 2/12 of the page. So it divides the page or the row in 12 sections, right? And so when you go back here, you can see all of these, the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are call 1. So here's the 1, and you can see it's call 1. And the other ones, this one is a call 2, and this one is call 4, right? And so that means that it is a column. This one is call 2. So it's a column that takes up 2/12 of the page. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? So that's only 9 columns. So why did this spill over? Well, because the next cell is call 4. So if that's 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, that would be 13 columns don't fit in a row, only 12 do. So it has to push this one over. Right. So this lets you sort of maintain exactly the relationship between things that you want by explicitly defining them as call 2 or 4 or just 1. I hope that this was helpful to all of you.